Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Plus, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, I'll show you how to block a number that is saved in your contact list, and secondly, I'll show you how to do it using the blacklist actually. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example, with the usage of the dialer, it's up to you. And then let's scroll and find the contact that you'd like to block, for example, this one. Then tap on this info icon and tap on three dots icon to open more. Then go to block contacts, and here we've got the information that we will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And here we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, we can unblock it the same way here by tapping on more and tapping on unblock contact, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. However, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and then go to the settings. Here, let's go to block numbers. And as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. If you'd like to, you can also tap on contacts or recents and enter the specific list and block a lot of numbers in a row. You can also tap on this section here to add phone number manually. So you can just do it like that and tap on the plus icon to add it to the block list. Moreover, we've got this option, block calls from unknown numbers. So just tap on the three dots icon. Sorry, not the three dots icon, the switcher next to this option, and now this option is active. You can turn it off by tapping on this switcher again, and if you'd like to unblock the number, tap on this minus icon next to the specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.